This lecture will be a one-to-one talk. First, what do we mean by happiness? Each and every person of us will interact so the conversation can go on very well. We have 60 minutes with us. What is happiness according to you? Whatever you know, whatever you feel.
Fulfillment and achievement of the goals is a lot of physical and mental well-being.
What else? आप बोलिए. What else? अरे बड़ा बड़ा शब्द बोल के क्या करेगा? कुछ सिंपल सिंपल बोलो ना. That means if you have stress and worries, you can't be happy. But what is happiness?
The mind and the body being in good.
Yeah, everyone is speaking so big high funda things. Okay, what else? What else? You're not blissful now? Why? Because no is better than yes. आपके हिसाब से? हाँ? Yes is always better. But who can make it yes? So do you want to make it? And if the need is not satisfied?
He is not satisfied because he is earning 1,000 rupees. But crores of rupees he has, he is not satisfied, he wants more. He is not happy. उसकी जरूरत से ज्यादा ही उसके पास है, but he is not happy because others having more than what he.
So that means you can't be happy every moment?
It depends on the one-to-one. It is not for everyone.
So I'm asking you a question. Is it possible to be happy in each and every state of mind or not?
Yes.
So what can we do for it? How can we do? Come on.
We should be content with what we have as of now.
First, follow the rules, whatever.
अरे कौन सा रूल्स है? रूल्स तो तुम्हारे हिसाब से है. रूल्स किसने बनाए? हाँ.
Our discipline is very important.
What is discipline?
Discipline life.
What discipline like?
What is supposed to do for living in?
What you are supposed to do? अरे इतना हाई फंडा बोलता है, इतना बड़ा 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 बोल रहे हैं, इतना बड़ा. सिंपल सिंपल.
Be truthful to yourself.
What else? प्लीज आप बोलिए.
Be content with whatever you have. You have a satisfaction. If you want to earn or achieve more, to right or left.
What else? It's happiness is only connected to achievement and happiness and goals and earning and all. उसके बिना happiness नहीं है. I am having a free talk just now, but I am very happy. Even if few people are there, I am happy. Someone is taking something and digesting something. So happiness is a state of mind. उसमें goals और इतना होगा तो ऐसा होगा. Your happiness is conditioning.
No, additional.
Conditionless, but here तो सब condition लग रहा है यार. If and when and but and then and नहीं?
Yes, sir, the condition
Is it condition free or it is condition full?
is free. Condition free.
Condition free? It is condition free or it is with condition?
It should be condition free.
But is it?
In practical life, it is not.
अरे what is practical and what is not practical? We are talking इतना बड़ा 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 बड़ा. नीचे अर्थ पे आओ, अर्थ पे. So, is happiness with condition or without condition? Without condition. Are you happy now? Yes or no? Why you are happy?
Because I am satisfied. There is no condition. If I keep condition, then this condition, my need may not be fulfilled, then I will not have.
But why happiness is connected with need and fulfillment?
It depends on the individual mind. It's a state of mind.
Ah, it is a state of mind. What else? What else?
Everything depends on the state of mind.
Everything depends on state of mind. What else? What is happiness or what is it the result of?
If I choose to have stress and worries, I'll always have all of those. Like I initially said, happiness is the state wherein I have no stress, no worries. But in the due course of talking, I realized that it's always a state of mind. I decided to feel myself happy, and so I'm feeling
Please repeat once more. Please pay concentration. Repeat.
I am happy now. I would say I am happy now only because I am feeling that I am happy now and I want to feel happy now. It's nothing more that has happened to me that is causing this happiness in me.
So, is there a reason for happiness? Is happiness connected with something?
Feeling.
अरे feeling, is it connected with something? बोलो, आप बोलो, sentence पूरा करो.
It's connected with my mind.
It's connected with your mind and?
My own sense of being.
अरे mind and heart की नहीं.
Mind and heart.
तो heart का तो पहला सौदा है. आगे बोलो.
So that is why I am feeling happy because my mind and heart is happy because I want to be happy because I am feeling happy and that's why I can say I'm happy.
So is it connected to some reason?
No.
Is it connected to some reason? बोलो बोलो प्लीज. आपके लिए सेमिनार है, आपको इंटरेक्ट करना है. मेरे पास हैप्पीनेस की पुड़िया तो है नहीं. बोलो. कुछ भी बोलो, बोलो. Anyone share, please speak.
The general thought about happiness is stimulus based. Like if you are getting some pleasure or some type of joy from some activity, then you are happy.
But can you not be in joy without stimulus?
Yes, of course. But the general outlook about happiness is.
No, I'm talking about your personal outlook. माने joy कभी होता है. ऐसे भी joy में होते हैं कि नहीं होते?
Personally, about myself, that if I'm helping somebody in some trouble, I feel happy that they are happy.
What else? What else about the joy?
Those small things also give joy.
Not sometimes, not always, only sometimes.
Small things if you don't being neglect or the ignore, those also give joy.
Every time or sometimes?
A child smiling or the actions of a child can give us joy. But most of the time we are so stressed in our own day-to-day life that we do not observe that or we do not think about that.
आप बोलिए. Say something about happiness.
Actually, our soul itself has quality of happiness in it.
हाँ.
But while growing up, we have got so many experiences and sensations and foundations which connects to the brain and gives a different kind of experience and situation.
But who has created that? So your natural state is happiness state.
Yeah.
Correct? Now you have created all that.
But the condition is such a
It is not conditioned, you have created. You are not aware of it, so you have made it that way. But suppose if you drop everything.
Once we go to world state,
Huh?
happiness state will go. We go back to happiness state.
How will you go back?
We are removing the covers now. The 100 quarter cover we put over the period of time. When I was young, there was no worry for nothing was there.
But can you not be like a small child now? Why not? Who is stopping you? Who is stopping you? Can we be very simple? Are we simple or are we complicated?
We are also made complicated.
Huh?
We are complicated.
We have made ourselves complicated or we are simple?
We are simple, but state of mind make ourselves complicated.
But why? State of mind को किसने बनाया?
It can be only.
We only?
Yes.
ऐसा होगा तो ऐसा होगा, ऐसा होगा तो ऐसा होगा. Yes या no? So who is responsible?
We
So what is responsible for that?
ourselves. Our thinking pattern we have to change. Thinking pattern we have to change.
But can we change?
Yeah, we have to change our point of view.
What point of view? What thinking pattern?
Thinking is wrong. If it is the same thing, it is the different angle, and it is right. For example, if I say a glass is half full, if I say glass is आधा भरा हुआ, but if I say yeah, glass आधा खाली है, then I no. Then if I say the glass is half full, then I am happy. If I say the glass is half empty, then I am unhappy. बात वही है. How am I to make myself happy? I have to see the positive point of view.
Now, What is happiness? Happiness is a state of mind. State of mind. Now it is energy. Do you believe? Yes or no? Now energy will either go up or it will go down. Both ways. So what does happiness do to the energy?
Like a graph going up and down.
What does happiness do to the energy? Question, happiness क्या करता है? Takes up. And what do other emotions do? Now we have got other emotions. Can you say the emotions? Anger, jealousy, फिर sadness, fear, और क्या? Worry, anxiety, और jealousy, resentment. ये सब पॉजिटिव इमोशन है कि नेगेटिव इमोशन है? तो ये सब एनर्जी को क्या करता है? एनर्जी को क्या करता है? अप या डाउन? डाउन. सो whenever there is a conversation, there are two things happening, either positive or negative. In a conversation, there is a response, and what else is there? Either you respond or you react. Either positive होगा या negative होगा. हाँ या ना? पॉजिटिव होगा तो एनर्जी अप जाएगी, नेगेटिव होगा तो एनर्जी डाउन जाएगी. नाउ व्हाट इज डिजीज? ईज में डिफिकल्टी इज डिजीज. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इन डिजीज स्टेट? द एनर्जी लेवल्स आर हाई और अप. करेक्ट. एवरी इमोशन that enters your mind produces an impact. This is emotion. It produces an impact on the organ of the body. On any organ of the body. It is 100%, okay? Each and every emotion produces an impact on any organ of the body. This is 100% sure. 100% sure. So repeated those kinds of emotions are going to produce impact on certain kind of body, on the body, and then that organ gets diseased. Otherwise the organ will not get diseased. So when any situation comes, I always say CCR. What is CCR? Cool, calm, relaxed. When any situation comes or anything happens, be cool, calm and relaxed. अगर cool, calm and relaxed हैं तो 50% solution उसी टाइम पे मिल जाएगा. Yes or no? Are you with me? You know this, I'm not telling you something new. Am I telling you? You already know about it. Any event, any situation, if you are CCR,